We are going for the learning of further information inside the male reproductive system with respect to two topics, structure of penis and second one, anterior view of a male reproductive system. First, structure of penis. Penis situated in front of scrotum sac. Penis made up of three specialized tissue, and that is can say erectile tissue. Three column of erectile tissue. There were two erectile tissue situated dorsal side in penis and one at ventral side of penis. Though erectile tissue present at ventral side of penis, there were structure urethra pars. Very important MCQ, out of three tissue, in which erectile tissue, urethra pars, so that is ventral surface, whatever erectile tissue is there. All erectile tissue which is covered with connective tissue, and periphery of penis, the skin cover is present. It means the entire penis which is covered with skin. And this is the blood vessel of a penis. The blood vessel also passes within the location of erectile tissue. Erectile tissue which is spongy and having blood sinus. Spongy plus having a blood sinus. When sexual excitation passes in a male, sexual excitation pass in the body of a male, at that time this blood sinus fill with the blood, so penis become enlarged and rigid, enlarged as well as the rigid. So this enlarged and rigid penis come in a situation is can say erection. What is erection? So during sexual excitation, blood sinus and spongy tissue of this erectile tissue fill with the blood. So penis become enlarged and rigid. That is can say erection, and this erection is essential for copulation. Without erection, there is no happening of copulation. During copulation, male through the structure penis deposit the semen inside the female vaginal tract. Female vaginal tract. So, at the time of copulation, male deposit semen within vaginal tract. This procedure is insemination. So, for insemination, copulation is necessary, and for copulation, erection is necessary. And erection happen at the time of sexual excitation pass inside the male body. So now this is the structure of penis. Now anterior view of male reproductive system. So this is both the side testes, and posterior to testes present epididymis. From lower region of epididymis and testes come outside duct, that is the vas differentia. And vas differentia form loop around to urinary bladder. This is UB, means urinary bladder. And now this is the ureter. Ureter coming from kidney. Under the urinary bladder gland present, there is prostate gland. This is anterior region of urinary bladder. This is posterior region of urinary bladder. Under the posterior region of urinary bladder, prostate gland present. At the base of urinary bladder, seminal vesicle present. Seminal vesicle is the pair of gland. Then vas deferens and duct of seminal vesicle joint, and this red duct form, this is ejaculatory duct. Then under the prostate gland and both the lateral side of urethra, bulbourethral gland present. That is also can say Cowper's gland. Now this is urethra. This structure is penis with the erectile tissue. In the region of penis which is enlarged, swell, that is can say glans penis. And this glans penis which is covered with the folded skin, that is foreskin. And now this is the opening of urethra at the deep portion of penis, that is can say urethral meatus. Urethral meatus. This is vas deferens. Testis and epididymis. So now from both the testes, sperm come outside from testis into epididymis, then into vas deferens. Vas deferens, there were seminal vesicle open and form ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct open within the duct of urinary bladder. So now duct of urinary bladder, there were ejaculatory duct, both the side one means two joint, and now that is can say urethra. Urethra, before passing to structure penis, there were one pair of bulbourethral gland open. Urethra pass in a structure of penis through their ventral erectile tissue, is the special tissue, and open at the deep portion of penis as a form of urethral meatus. So now we are discussing here the interview along with the location of three accessory male reproductive gland. Once again, which is the location of three male accessory reproductive gland? Under the posterior region of a urinary bladder, one prostate gland present. By many small duct, there is open within the duct of urinary bladder. Then at the basal region of urinary bladder, structure present, that is seminal vesicle, and both the lateral side of urethra under the prostate gland present bulbourethral gland, one pair. Now we are going for the discussion of the function of a male accessory reproductive gland. Now after completion of the male accessory reproductive glands location, we are now going for their discussion of function. Seminal vesicle, one pair of gland. Prostate gland, one gland. Bulbourethral gland, that is pair, that is also can say Cowper's gland. Seminal vesicle, who produce thick, viscous, rich with sucrose, vitamin C and enzyme containing secretion, and their role nourishment to sperm cell. Sperm cell get nutrition through the secretion of seminal vesicle. Whereas prostate gland produce white, means milky, alkaline and calcium rich secretion who give motility to the sperm cell. Motility means ability to carry out movement. Sperm cell carry out movement in semen solution as well as in female reproductive tract is due to secretion of prostate gland. bulbourethral gland to carry out secretion of alkaline secretion. This alkaline secretion act as a lubricant at the time of sexual intercourse. At the time of sexual intercourse between the wall of vagina and penis, between no occur friction due to the presence of this lubricant. Now, secretion of male accessory reproductive glands such as seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland, that is can say seminal plasma. In seminal plasma, how much proportion of all secretion? Seminal plasma, there were seminal vesicles 60 to 70% secretion, 30% secretion of prostate gland and mild secretion of bulbourethral gland, that forms seminal plasma. Seminal plasma along with sperm cell, that is can say semen. During one time ejaculation by the male, means male sexually excited and release semen outside, that is ejaculation. One time ejaculation leads to male release 3 to 4 ml semen outside the body, and this semen having at least 2 to 300 million sperm present in 3 to 4 ml of a semen, and the pH of this semen, that is 7.2 to 7.6. This pH neutralize the vaginal pH, that is acidic, that is 3.5 to 4. Vaginal pH in female, that is slight acidic. This acidic pH may be sperm come in contact, so sperm die. That's why semen pH basic neutralize the acidic pH of vagina and protect the sperm against to acidicity. So we complete here male accessory reproductive glands. Now this chapter for the 4 marks question in Gujarat board. So here question can be asked, either draw the diagram of anterior view of male reproductive system or lateral view and write about to male accessory reproductive gland or testis structure or accessory male reproductive duct. So 2 marks content you have to write and 2 marks diagram. Here you have to write the content only given in textbook, that is slight more than that of textbook. So follow particularly textbook for the Gujarat board. Here we completing the structure of a male reproductive system, and now we are going for the next lecture discussion of spermatogenesis. It means the production of sperm within the testis and then related procedure for the maturation.